The single biggest decision in your Turo business isn't made on the app. It's made at the dealership. Because the car you buy determines whether you're running a profit machine or a money pit before you ever accept your first booking. So, today I'm going to give you the framework I use to think about which cars to buy for Turo, and just as important, which ones to avoid. Let's start with the mistake almost everyone makes. They buy the car they think is cool, the flashy one, the one they've always wanted. And look, I get the temptation, but here's the problem. The exciting car and the profitable car are usually two completely different vehicles. This is a business decision, not an emotional one. The dealership is where hosts either set themselves up to win or quietly sink their profits. And it all comes down to running the numbers instead of following your feelings. So what actually makes a car a good Turo car? It comes down to a handful of factors, and the first one is demand. The best Turo car is the one people in your specific market actually want to book. That varies city to city. In one area, it might be fuel-efficient economy cars that win because they rent constantly. In another, it might be SUVs for families and trips. Before you buy anything, study your own market. Look at what's renting, what's booked out, and what's missing. You're not guessing what's popular in general. You're finding the gap in your area. The second factor is your total cost to own and operate that car. This is where flashy cars destroy you. A more expensive or higher-end vehicle usually means a bigger monthly payment, pricier insurance, and costlier repairs, and parts that take longer and cost more to replace. Every one of those eats your profit. A reliable, affordable car with good fuel economy keeps your costs low and your margins healthy. Boring and dependable wins this game almost every time. The third factor ties the first two together, and it's the one number that matters most: return on investment. You have to look at what the car will realistically earn each month against what it costs you to own and run it. A cheaper car that books constantly and costs almost nothing to maintain can crush an expensive car that looks impressive but sits idle. The goal isn't the nicest car on the lot. It's the widest gap between what it earns and what it costs you. That gap is your profit. So, let's flag the cars to be careful with. High-end luxury and exotic cars, they can earn big per day, but they come with huge costs. Anything with a reputation for expensive or frequent repairs, you'll feel that every time it's in the shop, instead of earning. And brand new cars that lose value the fastest in their first year, or that steep early depreciation can work against you. None of these are automatically off the table, but you need to go in with your eyes open and the numbers run, not just the excitement. Now here's the part that separates hosts who guess from hosts who actually know. The only way to make this decision well is to base it on real numbers. What does a car like this actually earn in my market? What's my true profit per car? When you track that, you stop guessing at the dealership. That's exactly why I built FK Command Center, so you can see the real performance of every car you own, spot your winners, and make your next purchase smarter. Your fleet teaches you what to buy next, but only if you're actually tracking it. So before you buy your next Turo car, run the framework. Check the demand in your market. Add up the true cost to own and operate it, and focus on that ROI gap, not the badge on the hood. Do that, and every car you add makes your business stronger instead of heavier. Hit subscribe. The whole series is about building real wealth with Turo. The link to FK Command Center is in the description. I'll see you in the next one. This is Maurice, and remember, build the boat before the storm.